Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do my hair using the Revlon tool and all the products that I use. Keep watching. My hair is really damaged from all the coloring. It gets really dry and I get a lot of frizz. But the products that I'll be showing you that I use will give you really nice, soft, smooth hair. I use the BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil. This is really good to detangle. I'm almost done with this. I just spray a little bit. I use a little bit of the Oribe Supershine Moisturizing Cream. This will give you intense shine. And then I use this clip that I got from Amazon, and it's really good to hold a lot of hair. Okay, and then part my hair. And two, you could see how dry my hair is. This is all from coloring. Apply this conditioner when you wash your hair. It's the Pantene 3-Minute Miracle. It is so good. It is really, really good. It will make your hair really soft. Look at that. My hair is so soft.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Thank you, Revlon. The best tool ever. Don't even need a straightener.
finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hi everybody. Wait a minute.
We'll
Look right there. Hi, everybody.
Through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Look at those results. Oh my god. Look at that. And then at the end, I use a little bit of oil, hair oil, the Oribe Gold Lust. Just one pump. Oops. See, and just from the middle to the end. My hair is so soft. From dry, frizzy hair to silky, smooth, shiny hair. I don't even go to the salon anymore to get my hair done. This right here does the job.
Yes.
And these products, amazing.
Yes. Mama.
Save your money, buy these products, and you don't even have to go to the salon anymore.
Mama.
It cost me $50 to get my hair done at the salon, and I bought these products $40-50 each, and they have lasted for a year, and I save all that money. I don't need to go to the salon. I get at home salon results.
Look at me.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe down below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.